Hello and welcome to your first tutorial on how to access books in your online digital library with asymmetrical.ai. So first you open your browser and let's get to the website. It's www.asymmetrical.ai. Once you're on the website, click on the login button. Here, you will be using your demo credentials, that's user ID and password, which has been provided to you. Click on sign in. And here you are on your virtual bookshelf. Your virtual bookshelf will be loaded with beautifully illustrated books on various topics. Click on the book of your choice. Maximize the screen for better reading experience. And that's it. This is how you read. Interesting, right? We hope you have a very joyful experience reading with us and happy learning with asymmetrical.ai. See you soon. Bye.